my name is True. I'm with Phytec America. I'm an applications engineer. Today we're in Nuremberg showcasing the TI collaborated smart EV charging demo. It is a demo that features a Phi-Core AM62X system on module, which is featuring again the AM62X processor from Texas Instruments. Here we have it plugged into the phyBOARD-Lyra base board, and that is interfacing a number of things here. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in action. I'm going to take this. Imagine we're plugged in from a car into the charger. And on my mobile device, I can see that we're just starting to charge. The way this is all working, in the back of the phyBOARD-Lyra here, we actually have a Y-Link based M.2 Wi-Fi card, which is how we're able to get that feedback here on our mobile devices. The Lyra board is also plugged into a Kodaco-made Red Beat board module that's enabling us to do power line communication over our power cable to the vehicle, and then from the vehicle back to the charger. And that facilitates grid to vehicle and vehicle to grid charging. What's actually facilitating the power delivery is the TITA 010239 TI reference board for actually delivering that power over the cable. And again, the final piece here is back to the phyBOARD-Lyra. We're utilizing the AM62's rich HMI display interfaces to feature this touchscreen display here. The point of the demo is to showcase that together at Phytec and TI, we're partnering up to accelerate the proliferation of electrification in vehicle and grid charging infrastructure.